Want to search smarter on your phone? Circle the Search just got a huge update, making it faster and slicker on your Galaxy or Pixel. Stick around to see why this AI tool's a game changer. Hey Tech Fam, welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest gadget buzz. It's May 19, 2025, and Google Circle the Search, the AI-powered tool that lets you search by circling anything on your screen, just dropped a major update. Let's dive into what's new and how it levels up your phone. So, what's fresh with Circle the Search? This update brings a pill-shaped search bar at the bottom of your screen when you activate it, way sleeker than the old floating bar. Just long press the home button or navigation bar on your Galaxy S25 or Pixel 10, circle an item like a sneaker or text, and boom, instant Google results for shopping, info, or reviews. New features include Shop with Google Lens, letting you find exact or similar products with price comparisons. It now scans QR codes and barcodes on screen, perfect for grabbing links or product details. Live Translate's upgraded too, handling 20+ languages by circling text for real-time translations, like a foreign menu or sign. Powered by Gemini Nano, it's faster, with 3 ms latency on Tensor G5 or Snapdragon 8 Elite chips, and works offline for basic searches. Why is this trending? X users are geeking out, with posts like, "Circle the Search is my new superpower," calling it a must-have for shoppers and travelers. The pill-shaped bar looks cleaner than Apple's visual lookup, and QR scanning beats iOS's separate app approach. Android Central says it's a hit on Galaxy S25 for its 200MP camera integration, letting you circle zoomed-in details. Compared to the older version, the update's 30% faster and supports multimodal inputs, circle text, images, or both. Some X users note minor lag on older devices like the S24, but it's a free update via Google Play services. This is AI search done right. Let's get you circling. Picture Circle the Search on your phone. What's your vibe? Finding deals by circling clothes? Scanning QR codes instantly? Or translating signs abroad? Drop your favorite use in the comments. We're reading them all at GadInsider. To get it, check Settings and go to System Update on your Galaxy or Pixel for the latest Google Play services. Pro tip, enable it in display and navigation bar for quick access. If this update's got you hyped, smash that like button. Let's show Google we love this AI glow up. That's the Circle the Search update, fam. Pill-shaped bar, QR scanning, and live translation. Live now on Galaxy S25 and Pixel 10. Want the latest tech? Subscribe to GadInsider and hit that bell icon.